to another fun episode of Cocktails. Studios. I'm here with Mr. Clinton Weir and his fan club. This is a fantastic bar you got here, Clinton.
Thanks, man.
It's awesome. For those who do not know Clinton, you need to get to know him. You've been bartending for almost 2 decades.
More than 2 decades.
More than 2 decades. I think he's been flaring longer than I have, actually.
I have.
Indeed. He's got quite a story, which if you want to know more, go check him out. He's on Instagram, Pineapple Jam Hospitality, Clinton Weir. I'll put all the links in the description and in the video so you can go and have a look at it. But he's got some really cool moves and some cool drinks which you're going to show us today. Is that right?
Of course.
Superb. What drinks are you showing us?
I'm going to do a little smoked Negroni and a pineapple jam martini.
Of course you are. Alright, so you're a dab hand at this, you've done this before. I'm going to leave it up to you.
Thanks,
have
bro.
a good one and enjoy.
So, smoked Negroni and a pineapple jam martini. The pineapple jam martini is a twist of Salvatore Calabrese's breakfast martini using pineapple jam. Here we go. Homemade pineapple jam.
Let me try this.
So, 2 spoons of that. Oh, you want to have a taste?
Homemade, no?
Is that delicious or what?
Delicious.
Cool. 15 mils of lemon juice. 15 mils of Tahitian pineapple liqueur, which is rather delicious. Then we're gonna add in some rum, which the only way to pour rum is with a little bit of this and a little bit of that and a little bit of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pineapple juice. Cool. I'm gonna give that a good shake. While I'm giving it a good shake, I'm gonna get that ready. A little bit of Alright, when you want to open these shakers, you've got to give it a bit of a wiggle. That works. I'm going to leave that there for 1 second. Over here I'm going to pour in 10 mils of cherry and pear cider reduction made with cardamom and vanilla sugar. And then we're going to do 90 mils of our pre-made Negroni mix. A little 2 dashes of Peychaud bitters. Glass is nice and frosty. Let's get this up. Let's get that up. Dragon's breath. Let's get that down. Instead of stirring the Negroni with ice, I'm going to put just a little drop of liquid nitrogen in there. Give that a little swizzle around. I did forget one thing. My favorite move of all the times. The slide.
And for those that don't know, that's probably your biggest signature move.
Oh, thank you, Tom. That means a lot.
And it's an awesome move.
Thank you.
Leave me hanging.
Cool. Chuck it in. Now the drink's not finished, don't be alarmed. Dehydrated orange. And now I'm going to put this into my double door smoking box. Get the little smoking gun with hickory wood chips going. I'm going to pump this full of delicious smoke. Tom, would you like to grab your smoked Negroni? Have a seat. Welcome to the bar.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.
Hope you're not asthmatic or allergic to smoke. That was good, man.
I didn't expect that to work.
Suck it in. Absorb it.
That's good. That's awesome.
Cool.
Man, I'm very excited to try these. Cheers.
Cheers, dude.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That is delicious. Wow. I did a video last week on a Negroni and a Boulevardi, but that is way better than what I made.
Well, thanks, man. You always got a good taste.
And this,
I'm gonna have a little sip of this.
oh,
Oh,
that is brilliant.
hey,
Superb, delicious.
who said Flair bartenders can't make cocktails?
Who said that? Okay. Amazing. Awesome drinks. Clinton, thank you very much.
Thanks, Tom.
Appreciate
Pleasure,
it.
man.
Anything you want to say to the viewers watching?
If you love Flair, keep practicing. If you love cocktails, keep working hard. If you can put them together, happy days.
You know this. But before we go, all right, that super awesome move, which I genuinely love, and I have tried it myself several times and failed a lot. The glass slide, which I haven't seen anybody else do as well.
I haven't, and yeah, so.
And I mean, I remember speaking to you many years ago about how you need to do it on stage and that. But can you show us it one more time and just tell the boys and girls how you do it? I don't think many people are going to be able to get it, but we can give it a shot.
I think the first point, yes, is to have very flat elbows.
Do you have the glass?
I do.
Should we do it with the full one? Probably not good.
No. So flat elbows is the key. What I did is, if I have my hand like this, which is your natural point, this part of your arm is bent. So I've actually turned my hand to there, and I've trained my hand to be there when I do it. So that channel,
ready for a judo chop.
that channel is pretty smooth.
Gotcha.
So that's the channel of the slide. But obviously I got pretty flat elbows, so it works.
I've got some bumps going on here, but...
Turn your hand this way. Back a little bit. Right. Up. Turn. Bob's your uncle.
That is wobbly!
Okay, definitely not your uncle. Yeah. The first and foremost is just to go from this point down.
Just smooth, huh?
So it's very interesting because if you had to just do that and not bring your elbow up at that specific point,
yeah,
it's just going to fly
just gonna
straight
slide off. Yeah,
but that gave me an idea once before where you can actually go bang, bang, off your other hand. So you can actually hop a glass, maybe with a bit of liquid in it. But the slide that was the original move, and that's where this tattoo comes in. That's the arrows of the direction of the glass, and that's the platform where the glass lands.
Awesome.
And where I put my champagne glass or martini glasses.
Yeah.
Bang. Oh. Can you believe it, bro?
Bang on.
Hey.
You've done that once or twice, right?
And then from there you can move it to this point in the arm, which I found that if I had to bring it around to there, and then slide it to there.
Such a cool move.
But then you can do it in reverse. You go in reverse, to there, and then back again. And that's just with the right hand.
Let's not give it too much. The key is always leave them wanting more, I hope. But
yeah,
try it out for yourself. Give it a shot, okay? Because I think you might struggle. But if you do get it, tag Clinton, all right? Pineapple Jam on Instagram. Add it on your story. Tag Tom Dyer Bartender, Clinton Weir, Pineapple Jam. All the links are in the description below. But again, thank you very, very much for watching. Until next time, we'll see you then.
Like a scissor cracker.
And now we leave.
Cheers.
Nice, dude.
I was gonna get the triple glass.